Hey everyone, and welcome to our neck of the woods. I'm Katie and I'm here with my husband Joseph. I finally got him on camera and we're doing something a little bit different this week. It's pretty busy around here, pretty noisy, and we are doing one of my most favorite things to do in woodworking, and that is a steam bend. So this video will be some fails, hopefully some successes, but a little bit of that process. Our first test run of this steam bend was not successful. For the first attempt, Joseph constructed a plywood steam box, and afterwards we questioned whether or not that was going to retain enough heat and moisture to bend the wood. In the end, it was the old crank that simply wasn't strong enough to make the bend possible. We regrouped and changed strategies for our second attempt.
Here's my new steam source. I have an iron pipe with a fitting coming down, the hose that will carry the steam from my water can on my gas burner. Trying to get to 212 degrees. My piece will have to steam for about 2 hours and 15 minutes, I think, to get to the desired temperature. Hopefully this goes better than the last one. So here's my new steam bending jig. I have my compression strap that has got end blocks that hold the piece in place, and everything's attached to these steel cables that get pulled around this mold. That's the idea. It takes a tremendous amount of force, hence the cables. Get some mechanical advantage with the pulleys, and a large crank, which should allow me to pull the 2x2 piece around this mold and keep it clamped. That's the plan.
With our newer and stronger setup, we decided to give the bend a second go.
Snap the metal.
Looks like we're heading back to the drawing board. Stay tuned.